I think you love your keyboard more than me. Those were the last words my wife ever said to me. No joke. And the craziest part? I actually had to think about it. As she was packing her bags, I was literally debugging our entire relationship in my head, trying to find the one catastrophic bug that crashed everything. And you won't believe it, but she was right. The warning signs were everywhere, blinking like a giant error message I completely ignored. This whole thing didn't start with some insane explosion. It started with a huge promise. I gave her my time, my focus, my entire heart. But I made a secret promise to my computer to solve every puzzle, fix every bug, and push every feature. I was trying to run 2 infinite loops at the same time, and I'm here to tell you, it is impossible. Something had to break. In the beginning, she thought my programming brain was hilarious. I would literally try to optimize our grocery list for peak efficiency. She would die laughing when I'd wake up in a panic at 3 a.m. to write down code I dreamed about. I called it context switching. She called it sleep coding. But the laughs stopped. Our lives started having massive merge conflicts. I completely forgot our date night because a server crashed. I spent our entire anniversary dinner debugging code in my head. She asked me if I heard anything she said, and I hadn't heard a single word. I was gone, completely lost in my own code. This industry is always on, and I let my job become my everything. The distance between us got bigger with every all-nighter I pulled. She started leaving sticky notes on my monitor. Don't forget to eat. The dog misses you. And then one hit me like a truck. It just said, I feel like a background process. Oof. She was 100% right. I was giving all my processing power to my work, and she was getting nothing. She even tried to meet me halfway, joking she'd open a pull request for more quality time. Can you believe this? I told her I'd review it, and then instantly got distracted by a notification. That request for more time? I never merged it. It just sat there for months. We completely stopped talking. I was just giving her status updates on my work. She was feeling ignored, and I was so deep in the code I didn't even see it. So, how did it end? Not with a bang. It was a silent, total system failure. The blue screen of death. The whole relationship was unstable for months, and then it hit one final critical error. She told me it was like being married to a ghost who only showed up to get more coffee. Looking back, the error in my logic was massive. You can't debug a person. There are no error logs for a broken heart, and you can't just restore a backup when you mess up. And here's the craziest statistic, you guys have to hear this. Programmers supposedly have one of the lowest divorce rates, somewhere around 20%. We build stable things for a living. But that's the ultimate trap. A relationship isn't a server you can just build and forget about. You have to actually take care of it. I was treating my marriage like it would just run forever on its own. It doesn't work that way. The insane hours, the 24/7 mental grind. This job can literally destroy the relationships you care about. I know I'm not the only one this has happened to. So I need your help. Drop a comment and tell me how you balance your life. What are your secrets to being there for the people who really matter? I'm going to read every single comment. So there it is. My wife left me because I was a programmer. Or really, she left because I forgot how to be a human. But today, that changes. I've completely logged out of that old me. I'm starting a brand new project from zero. The goal isn't to build something insane. It's to build a life that's balanced. And this time, the #1 user is me.